Hello, in order to take macro photos on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, you can actually find the macro mode in this camera. So in order to find the macro mode, we can go to More, and then over here we have Macro. If you select it, you will turn on the macro mode. You will see also the instruction at the top that you need to hold your camera 3 to 5 centimeters away from the subject, and then you can start making a picture of the small object. Now, of course, we cannot really zoom in and zoom out, so the zoom is not available. But in case you actually need to use the zoom, what you can do is use the photo mode instead, and you can try to keep the distance of the object but zoom in with the 12 megapixels camera. As you can see, we can catch the focus pretty easily even with the zoom, so this is also a way to capture macro photos on this device. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!